Namaste and welcome everyone. I hope you are doing great. I'm sharing another DIY Valentine gift tutorial. Today I'm making this squash book. You can add your personal photos or messages to make your Valentine happy. Go get your craft supplies and let's get started. To begin with, you will need 3 square pieces of paper. I cut mine to 8.5 by 8.5 inches. I'm folding the square into half vertically and horizontally. Then I'm making just one diagonal fold. Repeat this process with another 2 sheets of paper. Now for the construction part, I'm overlapping and gluing the squares which don't have any creases. I'm using white glue, but you can use any glue you have. I'm planning to make my own pattern for this book, so I'm using watercolors. I'm flicking my paintbrush to create splatters. I used pink, teal and gold color to create these splatters. Now I have created this template and printed out with color printer. I have given the link for this particular image in the description box below. It is free to download for all of you. All you need to do is cut every letters using pair of scissors. I'm mounting it on craft cardstock and again cutting it. Then you will end up with beautiful pastel letters. I will use these letters to create words and messages in my scrapbook. Now to add some more interest to our book, I'm drawing stitch lines with my black doodling pen. I'm punching out some hearts out of some glitter gold cardstock. I'm using washi tape, some photos and glitter hearts to decorate my book. This process is pretty much self-explanatory, so please enjoy the music. This is how you need to fold your book. For the cover, I am using this pretty blue pattern paper which measures 4.25 by 4.25 inches. I am using white glue to stick these papers. I am using washi tapes to decorate my front cover. I am cutting this washi into triangular shapes to create the banner. I will use alphabets created earlier to spell the word love. Now I am creating messy thread look with golden thread and hot glue gun. sticking a heart made with some red glitter foam. For the book closure, I am using green lace and sticking it on the back side of book using hot glue. I am tying a pretty knot to close my book, and our Valentine gift is ready. You can also write personalized messages inside for your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notification for my new video on next Saturday. Have a nice day. Happy crafting!